This is the Chatter Newscast, coming to you from Reed Custer High School in Braidwood, Illinois.
Hey everybody, I'm Gibson.
And I'm Wyatt.
Welcome to the Chatter Newscast.
We're here to fill you in on what you need to know
about what's going on at Reed Custer High School for the week of November 22nd.
Let's get started.
It's a short 2-day week, thanks to Thanksgiving break that begins Wednesday, November 24th, and we return to school on Monday, November 29th.
Here's some Thanksgiving trivia to impress your family and friends this week. How many turkeys are prepared for Thanksgiving in America each year?
About 46 million.
It's also a busy travel holiday, so from all of us here at the Chatter, have a safe journey if you are traveling, and may the warm glow of autumn surround you as you celebrate holiday with family and friends.
Now let's send it over to Guidance Gossip.
Hi, I'm Tori.
And I'm Gabby.
And we have the latest gossip
from Guidance. Second semester will be here before you know it, so the guidance counselors have scheduled 2 days for schedule changes on Thursday, December 9th and Friday, December 10th. No changes will be made after December 10th, so choose wisely.
The cool career of the week is a yoga teacher. A yoga teacher is a fitness and wellness professional who leads group classes in yoga. The qualifications to become a yoga teacher includes being CPR certified, complete training at yoga school, and having a flexible schedule. Yoga teachers earn an average salary of $46,000 per year.
Naviance should be more than something you do once a month during Comet Time. It really is a one-stop shop for college and career planning, scholarships, requesting letters of recommendation, goal setting, resume building, and Road Trip Nation videos that feature different careers. So do yourself a favor and start exploring Naviance.
The All-Star Verified Scholarship is here to help students pay for college, and it may be used to pay tuition and any related fees such as room and board. Applicants must be in high school, college, a graduate, or adult students, or parents of high school students and college students. Applicants must complete the application form and answer in 450 characters or less the question, what is the best and worst part about filling or applying for scholarships? The deadline is December 31st, 2021. For more information, click the link below.
Now let's hear from another teacher about career advice that every high school student needs to know. Over to you, Mrs. Dennis.
We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions, that we'll screw up royally sometimes, understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, but part of success. Ariana Huffington. It's great to have an ideal plan for your life, but remember that things happen and your plans may need to change. So keep an open mind and keep your options open. Some of your friends, or perhaps you, already know or think you know what you want to do in life. If so, that's fantastic, but don't become so nearsighted that you lose sight of other interesting opportunities. There are career paths that have not even started today that may be big in 5 years or more.
That's all the gossip we have for you this week.
Now let's send it over to Comet Sports.
See you next week.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Comet Sports.
Now let's talk about competitive cheer. The annual Reed Custer Invite, scheduled for December 4th, has unfortunately been canceled for this year. So their next competition will be on December 11th, where they will be traveling to the North Pole Invite, Lincoln Way East. Let's bounce into girls basketball. The Lays Comets only have one game this week on Monday, the 22nd, at GSW. The JV game has been canceled, so this will be the only varsity contest.
Hi, I'm Jamin, and let's talk boys basketball. The Comets begin their basketball season soon. Let's start with the freshmen. Their first game will be against Herscher at home on Monday, November 29th at 5:30. For the JV team, their season begins with a Thanksgiving tournament at Seneca on Friday, November 26th at 9:30 a.m. against St. Anne. The JV will play again at noon on Friday and wrap up the tournament on Saturday, November 27th. Finishing up with the varsity, they will also begin their season at the Varsity Seneca Tournament the week of Thanksgiving. Their first game will be on Monday against Mendota at 5 p.m. The boys return to Seneca on Wednesday to face Newark at 5:30. Then on Friday, the Comets face Seneca at 7:30. The tournament will wrap up on Saturday, November 27th. Good luck. Let's talk wrestling. The wrestlers will have a meet on Tuesday, November 30th at Morris against Morris and Princeton at 5:30 p.m. Saturday, December 4th, the Comet wrestlers compete in the Prairie Central Duels beginning at 9 a.m.
Let's go, Comet!
Hi, I'm Billy, and I've got your lunch menu and healthy tip of the week. Monday, November 22nd, they will be serving tacos, Spanish rice, veggies, fruit, and milk. Tuesday, November 23rd, the menu includes pizza, veggies, fruit, and milk. Where do pepperonis go on vacation? The Leaning Tower of Pisa! This week, I have 5 healthy eating tips for the holidays. 'Tis the season for family festivity and food. Lots of food. Temptations are everywhere. How do you stay on track no matter what's cooking? Here are 5 tips that can help. Holiday-proof your plan. You may not be able to control what food you're served, and you're going to see other people eating tempting treats. Meet the challenges armed with a plan. Eat close to your usual times. If your meal is served later than normal, eat a small snack at your usual meal time and eat a little less when dinner is served. If you slip up, get right back to healthy eating with your next meal. Outsmart the buffet. When you face a spread of delicious holiday food, make healthy choices easier. Have a small plate of the foods you like best and then move away from the buffet table. Start with vegetables to take the edge off your appetite. Eat slowly. It takes at least 20 minutes for your brain to realize you're full. Fit in favorites. No food is on the naughty list. Choose the dishes you really love and can't get any other time of the year, like your grandma's pumpkin pie. Slow down and savor a small serving. Keep moving. Being active can help make up for eating more than usual and reduce stress during the most stressful time of year. Get moving with friends and family, such as taking a walk after a holiday meal. Get your Z's. When you're sleep deprived, you'll tend to eat more and prefer high-fat, high-sugar food. So just because we are on a holiday break, aim for 7 to 8 hours per night to guard against mindless eating. Most of all, remember what the season is about, celebrating and connecting with the people you care about. When you focus more on the fun, it's easier to focus less on the food. Until next week, happy Thanksgiving, Comets!
Hi, I'm Jessen.
And I'm Jaina.
And we have the latest scoop
on all the clubs and activities. Let's start with the music department. The Madrigals will be rehearsing from 6 to 9 p.m. on Monday, November 22nd. They will also be having their Thanksgiving performance on Tuesday, November 23rd.
The Independent Choir will meet at 7 a.m. on Tuesday, November 23rd. That'll do it for this episode. Keep on clubbing, Comets!
Thanks for watching the Chatter Newscast.
We'll be back next week with another brand new episode.
Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook and Instagram. Before we go, here's your life's little instruction of the week.
Take charge of your attitude. Don't let anyone else choose it for you. See you next week.